Hello everyone, today we have something exciting to share with you. A brand new features that will take your Instagram notes to the next level. That's right folks. Instagram has introduced a new fantastic feature that allows you to add music to Instagram notes, and here we'll show you how. So let's get started. So for that, first go to your DM section in the Instagram app. Here over your notes, tap on the plus icon here. Here you can write anything you want. Then tap on the music icon here. Now here you have list of musics available. If you have any music or maybe specific music in your mind, simply search for it here, then select it. After selecting that, here you can simply select which part of the music you want it to be on your notes. When you do that, simply tap on done, and that's it. You have the message and you have the music available on your notes. So when it's ready, simply tap on the share icon here, and that's it. Now you have it. So if you don't know how to delete it, that's easy too. Simply tap on it, and this will delete the music notes from your Instagram app. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe.